Hi, welcome to my Hero review. My name is Henry Tay. So what is Hero all about? It is the world's first one-click solution to getting free traffic from 700 sources that make you $39 per hour. Get massive free traffic, 700 traffic sources in one click. Get your customers real results, a proven winner, prices and upsell. At the front end, it is being sold at $17. And if you try to exit, there will be a pop-up to give you a $4 discount. And the first upsell is $97, which is the unlimited edition of Hero allows customers to enjoy unlimited usage and unlimited traffic, free traffic and more. And upsell number two, which is $297. And this is the upgrade they set up for you, the software. And upsell number three, at Hero Autopilot Edition, $39, you will be able to activate all the automation tools within Hero. And upsell number four, which is the Done For You campaigns edition, which is $39, you will get 200 Done For You proven money-making campaigns that have made us $50,000. And upsell number five, Hero Franchisee Edition, $197, you will get bump across the entire funnel with additional tutorials on how to promote the funnel to make sales. And here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting. Get traffic for free, one-click app, a first of its kind on Water Plus, in demand and hot right now. Experience sales daily, the easiest system ever. So today, if you get Hero through my link in the description below at the price of $17, you will get these bonuses from me. Bonus number one, valued at 427.95, is Enigma. And bonus number two, valued at $46.95, is Lockdown Formula. You will also get bonus number three, valued at $344.95, is Content Curation Hack. And you will also get bonus number four, with a value of $267, is Gemini. And you will also get all the custom bonuses which the vendor has prepared for you. And what are they? There are 5 vendor bonuses that are in store for you. Bonus number one, Hero free bonus number one, get results in the first 5 minutes, worth $197. And bonus number two, Hero free bonus number two, 3 ways we bank fast with Hero. And bonus number three, 2022 year-end bundle. Bonus number four, customer only live orientation call. And Hero free bonus number five, how to scale Hero to 10K per month. Okay, so that's all the bonuses that you have for you. Let us now watch the Hero demo video.